fish in the sea. You know how I feel. River free. You know how I feel. Blossom in the trees. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies out having fun, you know what I mean. Oh, sleep in peace when this day is done, and that's just what I mean. And this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. Stars, when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Yeah, freedom is all mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good.
Weeby! Weeb! Oh, Weeb!
Yippee! You shoot him!
Virginia, first and foremost, I absolutely love the song choice. Second, I think we're ready for a King family sing-off. You did a great job.
It runs in the family.
You did great. Thank you.
Virginia, I am so impressed. I had no idea. You had an awesome range. You have such strong vocals. You were confident. I really enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yippee!
Whoop to the Weeb! Whoop to the Weeb!
Come on, dark chocolate.
Good afternoon. You were just right on. Beautiful voice range. Everything was perfect.
Yeah, dark chocolate!
Our next performer has an acapella version